Hello, today we'll be unboxing this huge box. It's a case, computer case, and it's an NZXT H510 Elite. So it's a premium compact high tower ATX case that we'll be using in a build. If you want to see the whole build, subscribe. This way you won't miss it. And of course, give us a thumbs up if you like these videos, specifically this video. So let's go ahead and open this. So this is our latest build, which will be housing our AMD Ryzen 9 processor and corresponding components. So, first of all, it's a big box. It comes in foam, as the picture gave it away. Oops. So, let's go ahead and open this. So it's well protected in foam. So we've selected this brand specifically because we've had other products of theirs in the past and they've worked great. They're durable and we've had no problems. So we decided to continue with what we liked and we're used to. So let's take a quick look around. This is the completely black version. The picture on the box showed a white version, but this is the completely black. First off, you're going to see there's a lot of glass on there, so it's quite easy to see the components. You'll see the large fans that are there. And off to the side, it almost feels like it's open, but there is a glass here, so it's tempered glass. And so we'll be able to, once we have a complete build together, we'll be able to see the motherboard, the memory light up, any fans that have RGB will light up. So in the back, I mean, this is a case. It's a little boring, but in the back, so you've got the space to put our EVGA 850 G5 power supply. So that's going to slide in there. And we're going to be adding some fans. We're going to be decking this out with everything, motherboard and so forth. So you've got different slots here if you want to add some components. In our case, there's going to be very little to be added apart from, like I mentioned, our NVIDIA GPU. So they're quite easy to open. They use thumb screws. And on the top, you've got a large space there. And on the bottom, you have a filter here, which is easy to remove, so you can get the dust out. And you've got ventilation also on this side. Now, the only drawback to this particular case, I'll be very honest with you, is in a number of connectors on the top here. So you've got one USB and one USB-C and one audio jack. That seems a little minimal in today's world. However, the motherboard will provide more than ample USB connectors in the back. So we're willing to live with that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm Bob Pellerin, CTO Bob. And of course you can leave comments below. We read all of them. Visit us at www.ctobob.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.